So, bro, what's up? Bro, what's up now? Hello. Hello.
Hello?
What's up, bro?
Hello, good evening, boss.
Well, good evening, Chief.
Adeo, how today now?
Fine, fine. How your side now?
All done. Fine, fine.
How the
How
celebration
was your day,
yesterday?
boss? I'm a massive one. Thank God for life.
Hope say you know overtake alcohol yesterday, ba?
Oh, I know, I don't really to do much, but like, if I turn now,
Normally
we will
now.
just enjoy the day, but like,
So
maybe that kind of
today,
highness. Thank
today
God for life.
class, I don't get wetin I dey teach you. So na question and answer.
Okay, I beg, I get few of them, though.
Eh?
I said, I get few of them, though.
Okay. If you start
Can you
from the
hear me?
one, yes. If you start from the one where you get them.
I, I seriously don't understand this fundamental analysis. Sometimes I would like one follow all those news something, but I know they really get them at all.
Fundamental analysis. I dey reason okay, may we do class on or make I record video send which one go good pass.
That recording of video go make sense because we go still fit on rewatch. But if we go still do live session together, when we say you go still fit record am, it will be okay.
Okay, because that fundamental analysis, even if you want more talk about am now, so we fit talk about am. You no get any much something like that.
That one is one. Then I still have another one. This reversal zones. I don't there's something about reversal zone that I don't get reversal zone. How to identify good reversal zone.
Okay, reversal zone like which time frame and I mean may you share your own chart explain.
I know if it, now for my phone I did do this video.
You still fit
Like
share.
reversal zone, sometimes different type of reversal. Okay.
Okay, make I use this one. I been dey back there sef before I see say time for class no reach. Now reduce distance.
Okay.
Chat off too much. This one na 4 hours. So which type of reversal zone?
Like okay, you see from that higher height that we have before this low,
This one.
that one is currently making lows now, like bearish type of move. I'm talking about that the first that lower height, higher height,
This one now. What I
lower.
mark before.
Yes. You see that we're on a bearish move before starting making this strong bullish move up.
Now you know say e get one thing wey I been talk about before. I talked about when it comes to reversal, if how to know when 1 day time frame is going to be reversing, you go to 4 hour. How to know when 4 hour is going to be reversing, you go to 1 hour. How to know when 1 hour will be reversing, you go to 30 minutes or 15 minutes.
Mhm.
So now let's look into this place now. Let me start with daily. Since your question is based on this place. Now this daily is reacting to something. It's reacting to a level here, this key level. See you see as it touch am. So this daily is reacting to this place. Let's go to 4 hour and look for our supply and demand, if at all there is anyone. Okay, there is no anyone here, but you see say this place na breaker block, but you see the breaker block is a failed order block. Now nobody know whether this market go reverse from here. We just know say market just dey buy, we dey buy. Now you come wake up one morning, see this place, see am na morning be this now. All this place na morning. For morning now, price come here by 6 p.m. for evening ba. Now you wake up, this is 7 o'clock for morning. You see say market dey react to this zone. Now for your 4 hour now, since na daily, I mark this place from daily now. For me to confirm say price don change or price wan reverse here, I go dey wait for break for this daily. I fit still dey look for my buy o. See am, that's a more better way. Either you wait for the main change of character like this, or you just look for body break. Me, I prefer body break. If you go to the line chart, you see it clear. Look at it. So once I have a body break like this, I'll know that okay, there is a reversal here. Now before this body break, I'll continue to be looking for buy, because me, I focus majorly on the direction. See now, after price broke this place, after price broke this place, see this where market can come back to. See this other block here. You see say market come back to that place. You don't know already say okay, oh, this market don reverse. I will come start to look for sell here. My first target could be this low. Then maybe my second target could be any level here where I know say market fit reverse from. You understand? And you see am. So ma look for another place. Okay, this place here, this place down here, where market start to dey buy. Let's start with daily again. Now this place like this na all time low. This particular place, this 2022 October 5. See October. Let me see. Okay, September 28th, 2022. Now e no get any low wey low pass this one. This was the last low. Are you
Okay.
hearing me?
Yes.
Okay, so this was the last low here. So e no get any place where price go react to, except e go react to himself. See wetin happen. You see this last three period, this last three candle. Now if you go for line chart, but see price form something here. E form V shape for us here. Since price no get anywhere wey e go react to, e go react to himself. Most of the time, if you see say price come reverse from somewhere and you no see anything, check where you go see say e go come form something wey wan dey like this. If e form am like this, then the next one wey go open, e go be something like this. This place go come be the place wey price go come react to. You see say if e open like this, e go come touch here, use here reverse. You see say e no get other block or supply and demand wey dey here, or see wetin you dey expect make e come touch. E no go come touch am, e go just reverse. Now most of the time, e dey create place wey e go react to when the price action still dey form. Sometimes e go create A shape or V shape, react to am, take am reverse. Now na the same thing na im happen for this place now. This place, if you look well now, you see say price creates this sell candle, create another buy candle, which is a V shape. Then the third day, that's on the 28th, e con react to am start to reverse. Now wetin I go come dey look for now, how I wan take know say dis reversal now go dey valid now, na when I see break for 4 hours. Now see where na for here na im e form dat thing, e come like dis touch am now. Now I need to see break now for 4 hour now. See dis last place, I go dey look for break for here to confirm say now na buy you wan buy here. Either you use wick or use body break. Me I use to prefer body break here. I normally prefer body break. So na like dis now you take know say e don dey reverse. Den I will wait. Now you see say price don break above am. Look at it. Look at, sorry, price have broken above it. So what I'm going to be
Yeah.
expecting now is for the market to come back to any of this zone so that I can start looking for buys. So I no need wait make e break here. Now I don't know say this price go reverse. So what I will do next is I'll go to my 1 hour. Now this place is still 9 o'clock p.m. That is in the night. So let's wait for morning. Okay. Now I normally use sessions most of the times. I use London Open. I hope you know what is this. This dark place. This is Asia.
Uh, Asian Ridge.
Yes, this is Asia. Asia is normally liquidity, mostly for London and New York. So this horizontal line that I draw here is London Open. So I normally prefer to use timing. Now I'll go back to my 4 hours. Then I'll look for a key level. I have this key level here, so I can buy from here. I have this key level here. There's another one here. So, but for this one now confirmation entry now I will use enter am. So let's wait. Let me go to 1 hour now and see what price we do. Okay, this market don't dey do wetin dey in mind now like this. Last thing won't come that down again.
It's supposed to. Mhm.
Okay. Now price no come back to that down. Price go definitely dey react to something. See where e dey react to this breaker block. This place where market break, you know say e don turn breaker block now. This candle now. Oh,
Yes. That,
this candle, you know say e don turn breaker block. This one automatically.
mm,
So na im market dey reject from now to take buy. Now if you say I wan catch this buy now, see as I go take catch the buy. I go go 30 minutes or 15 minutes look for break of structure, body break. See how I go take catch am now. Now for my 30 minutes, you see say market don give me break already. See am this place, e don give me break already here. I go back to normal
mm,
candlestick. Now my entry now, after I don't get break, my entry now go be from this Quasim module, this QM here. I call this thing go back. This will be where I'll be expecting to enter from. I can still enter from this other block here. See this other block here. It's 30 minutes. Okay, let me use 30 minutes. Now, I can choose to enter from this other block. My stop loss will be below here because of this A share. Price fit come sweep am. You understand? So my stop loss go dey
yes.
below here. My target go be where? This high. This high. Now because after I don get my change of character here, I know say if price take out all this internal range, e go start to dey take, e go come take out the external range. So my target go be this place. So this place now go just be like my decisional POI. Then this down, this place or here where I dey expect me price come back to, na im go be my main POI. Here I no need confirmation to enter. I I go just enter aggressively. So you see as I take get this reversal, ma go back 4 hour cut another place. Okay, let's look for a way to spot this reversal up here. This one. Now see this supply here, this last candle, this supply. Remember, see market they go like this now. So
Yeah.
now after market don't give us this internal break here, this small break of structure here. Now plenty people now go dey expect make e come back. You see say e no come back. See wetin come happen. As e
Yeah.
come down like this, e just do multiple swing. Then e come start to dey come back. Now the last swing wey dey here na im be this one. Now I no go enter aggressively from there. I go look for confirmation. Now how I wan take know if market go change from this place? Now I tell you say any level wey you mark for 4 hours, you go 1 hour go look for confirmation for 1 hour. So this level now na for 4 hour I mark am. Now I go down to my 1 hour to look for confirmation for 1 hour. Wetin I dey find for my 1 hour? I dey find change of character. Change of character. Either you look for change of character, body break, or weak break. Now look at this structure. Let me just go to line chart. See say we don get change of character here. External break, internal break for 1 hour time frame. That's for body break.
Yeah.
We don get change of character. Now if we wan follow week now, we go dey wait make this market break this place. And most of the time you see say market go
Yeah.
break, e no go come back again. Na wetin make me I dey prefer to use the body. If you just go line chart, you see everything very clear. Now after I don get this body break like this internal and external one, I'll come back. Now this is 5 a.m. in the morning. As say Asia don tap into that place. Now wetin I go dey look for this place now na another confirmation. I no go just enter start to dey sell. I go dey look for another confirmation to confirm. Because market fit just reverse anytime. So I'll go 30 minutes or 15 minutes to look for another break. Now here now for 30 minutes, you see say we don get break already for 30 minutes. See am? See break, body break again for 30 minutes. The reason why they come line chart, me I understand that with the candle, but because of you now I make me
Yeah.
dey come line chart. So now see another external break. For more confirmation, I wait me market open, break this place, sweep this liquidity wey dey here. Then I go come the time to enter during London open. London open now na 8 o'clock for Nigeria time. 8 o'clock. So I'll come the time to enter during this London open. So let's play price, see what happen. You see say if I enter aggressively, market for take me out. Now wetin make
Yeah.
more confirmation, because all this place na liquidity. This place na Asian high be this na liquidity. This high, you know say above every high and low there is liquidity, and this high na previous day high be this particular place na previous day high be this.
Mm.
I no wan just go daily time frame. If you go daily time frame, e go show you almost everything. Wait, make I just go the daily time frame. See am. You see the high wey this market come take out.
Yeah.
This high like this. Na previous day high. On previous day highs are liquidity and previous day low. If you go to 4 hour time frame now, see say market don sweep here now. Now wetin we go dey wait to see for this place now na two things. Wetin we dey expect for this place now na two things we dey expect from here. We dey expect make this price come down, give us break for here like this, then we go enter sell, or as e come up like this, make e come down maybe around this place, give us confirmation around here, make we continue dey buy. You understand? So now,
Yes.
if I get double buyers like this, I go wait, because here now automatically if you go to 1 hour, see am na break of structure be this for 1 hour now. See am, we don get break of structure for 1 hour. So plenty people now go dey expect make market come like this make dem buy, whereas forgetting that this place is a very sensitive area. So instead wey I go just wait make e come down I go buy, wetin I go do now, I go get two buyers for mind. Now if price come down to this place, I go look for 15 minutes change of character. I go wait make 15 minutes give me change like this, then I go know say na buy e go buy, I go continue. If I no see anything for
Mm.
15 minutes, I go wait make e break this place to give me another change of character to the downside. You see as I get two buyers for mind. So make we wait see
Yes.
wetin price go do. Now maybe probably price go dump during New York. New York by 1 o'clock, na September. New York na by 1 o'clock. Whoa, exactly for New York section. This one na news. Na news push am down like this. So we no get entry here. Now see, e don give us change of character here for New York section. This one now, if you say this market no come down with this speed like this, but we say e just give us break,
Mm.
you see say this line like this, most people no go even know wetin I pick take enter here. This way I will put my stop loss above here. I will enter in this place targeting where this low. See say na better RR, almost 1:6, abi 1:7. But now if I'm going to be looking for another entry, now I will look for entry at this breaker block. We have a breaker block here. This recent place, previous place. I will look for entry around this breaker block. So since I don't get my confirmation, I fit put my stop loss around here. Then I know say now this after this retracement, price go take out where this low. Market go take out this low. Now I go come dey target that low externally. Now me I dey mostly take 1:3. So I fit just target my normal 1:3 here. If e hit my TP, I will take up to 70%. Then my full TP go be this place. So this is just how to spot reversals. Let's see if market even later come back that place. Okay, market no come back. This already 10 o'clock. Now it make it is slow like this. It's 10 o'clock. So, but this is just how to spot reversals. So your next question.
You say we could do that fundamental analysis now.
Uh, okay, I'll talk about the fundamental analysis. Talk about it in a bit. Okay, 10, 2. If you take entry 2 from here, I'll enter with confirmation, targeting same this low, or I'll use confirmation enter from there. My way to make market even go there. Okay. Now the confirmation what I'll take, if I go one sell from here, now just 15 minutes change of character, I'll look for 15-minute time frame. I go one see break. Okay. I don't get break already. Now I'll just enter from this breaker block here. My stop loss will be where above here or this place. Then my target this place 1:3. You know say sometimes confirmation you see your stop loss, see the aggressive entry is 1:6. Why this one that I use confirmation for
Mm.
is 1:3 RR. Okay, this one is midnight already. Ma, ma just wait see how my trade go now before we talk about that one.
Okay.
Okay, you see say we hit TP. So here where I take this trade from to now, another key level for 4 hours. CQM here. After price break this place go turn breaker block. If you go
Mm.
1 hour time frame, if you mark the last candle there, and be your breaker block. So this one, and be your breaker block. So mostly I know you like use all these rectangle something. I just prefer line. See
Fine.
yes, like just draw lines now, just the key level. See saying at the same thing. Breaker block I failed
Yes.
other block. I already taught you that one.
Yeah.
So let's talk about fundamental. Okay. Now on fundamental analysis are simply the let me look for a better way to put it. It's okay. It's the use of economic data instead of price actions like candlesticks and the rest. When it comes to fundamental analysis, it's just the use of economic data and news to analyze the market. Now, technical analysis is using past price action to predict what will happen in the future. But fundamental analysis is different. We still have sentimental analysis. Now, fundamental analysis are majorly news. For example, um, if there is a terrorist attack in the United States, for example, and news
Mm.
broke out that there's a terrorist attack, now you know say automatically the value of the currency will start dropping because people are no more spending much and the rest. The volatility, there will not be much liquidity in that
Mm.
particular currency. Now, if, for example, you are trading GBP USD, USD is already losing value. Now you see GBP going up. Now, fundamental analysis are majorly news. So, another example, if the unemployment rate of the United States, let's say GBP USD. Now, let me do something. Let's say there's a news on USD and the unemployment rates for last month was 20 million. Unemployment rate was 20 million. Now, and the numbers of people who got employed was 10 million, for example. Now, on Friday, or normally NFP is normally Thursday, Friday. Now, when NFP news comes out, the unemployment rate, instead of the unemployment rate to reduce, the unemployment rate now increase from 20 million to 30 million. And the amount of people they gave who got job in that month now reduced to even 5 million. Now, you know that the currency will lose value. I hope you know.
Yeah.
So it's not good
You
for the
feel like
currency,
that?
right?
Yes.
Now, you see automatically USD will be going down. It's just like a scale. It's just like a scale. GBP, USD. Automatically USD will be going down while GBP will be going up. Now we have different type of news. For example, today I had news today. Let me
On GBP USD. Yeah.
Yes, on GBP USD. So fundamental analysis, we have so many news. There is NFP, there is CPI, there is PPI, there is unemployment rate. Like fundamental analysis is a bit broad.
You know. You see, there are like different type of fundamental analysis that we have.
Yes. Okay, let me share my screen for this one. I mean, okay. I hope you can see my screen.
Yes.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello, I can hear you.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay. Now, for example, uh, in today's news, we had BOE monetary policy report. We still had another one, another one. Let me use this GBP news for example. By 1 o'clock, uh, MPC official bank rates vote. Let me show you something here. Now, more hawkish than expected is good for the currency. This way I'm reading. More hawkish than expected is good for the currency. So, whatsoever their vote is going to be, if it's more than the forecast, this place here, this is the previous one. The next one is the forecast. Then the third one is the actual result. So before the results, they normally give forecast. Now, previous one was 0.27. Now, forecast is now saying it's going to increase to 0.36. That means it's going to be good for the currency. Now, when the
Mm.
news came out, it was 0.45. Now, that exact time, that's 1 o'clock. Let me go to current price. That exact 1 o'clock. If you see what happened in the market,
My own fault. Plenty.
let me change
Hey,
to
dude.
trading view.
Someone. Someone.
Now look at what happened. This place is 1 o'clock. This place here. This place is that exact 1 o'clock. You see what
Mm.
happened? The market just came down with speed and zoom up
Yes.
because the result was good for the currency. This is GBP USD. Now the news was on GBP. Now since the result is good for GBP, then GBP will be stronger than USD. That's why the market just spike up. Now if for example that result was bad, let's say for example that result was not good for GBP, automatically you see
Yes.
massive sales. But you
I
see
was even
how,
expecting safe to happen.
yes, me too, I was expecting
That's
sales.
that's what that's one that I first tapped into
Yes.
before now
Okay, buy is
breaking it.
from here or sell.
No, no, that's from that supply zone
Okay.
up. Yes, yes, that one.
This place, right?
Yes.
I was expecting buys because let me still go down to 15 and 30 minutes and show you that same confirmation I told you about. Look, now all these lows are Asia, including this place. But before say this 7 o'clock, the market came down. Look, the market came down like this, swept all this liquidity here, and then gave us a break of
Mm.
structure here, body break. But most of the time, if you wait for a week break, it will waste your time. Look, still week break. There's a break of structure here. Let's go to 30 minutes and see.
I
Look, in
believe
30
it.
minutes, we still have break. In 30 minutes, see break here. See another break here. Now, this one is enough confirmation for me to enter a buy. So after the break, the market came back to here. This breaker block here, QM. QM is like this.
Yeah.
If there's a change of character, I think I already taught you about this one. If there's a change of character
I
like this,
don't care.
this place here is the QM. Why this place is your breaker block? So most of the time, my entries are normally from this QM here. My stop loss will be at this place. Then I'll be targeting the next swing. Exactly what happened here.
Okay. Like there's something I would like to ask. Sometimes you see an obvious order block around
Uh,
after that QM inside the zone of that QM, maybe at that apex side.
yes,
You see, it might be like the other block is the apex self.
the other block is
Can it
normally
be
the
like that?
apex. Like this one, this is the other
That's
block here now.
that
The
was
last candle before an impulsive move. This is the other block here. This particular one. Let me change the color. Okay, I'll show you this. Let's use blue. This is the other block here. If you go to 15 minutes, you can look for smaller one to refine it, but price might not get there. See this,
okay.
look at this other block, but price no come there. So most of the time for 15 minutes sef, I know dey pick other block. Na the breaker block, the complete candle na dey carry, because mostly na there price dey reverse. See am. Let me remove this one. See am now. Most of the time, that breaker block, the complete candle na you just mark. Then your stop loss go dey below here. So this trade, if say I catch this trade that morning for see na nice entry. After price come this place, during that news now, this place now was the liquidity that price used. This place, after the break of structure, the first pullback, it's normally liquidity, abi. Now we have a break of
Mm.
structure here. See break of structure here. Break of structure. Price went up. This was the first pullback. Now give us another break. Now this pullback is our liquidity. We have what? Another block here. This one.
Yeah, yes, that was the one that I was even looking at.
We have another block here. And another confirmation that I used. If you go to 1 hour, there is a key level there. I told you that me, most of the time, I prefer to use key level. If you go to 1 hour, see key level there now. See this open close level here. Na key level will be. See breaker block here. If you go line chart here, you go see and see breaker block this high.
Mm.
Na breaker block be this. So I been see this place, oh, but because of this Asia here, I was expecting markets to sweep the whole of this place and come here. Now I was supposed to look for confirmation here, but I didn't see my confirmation, and that was why I didn't enter from this place. I normally use 15 minutes break. See, no 15-minute break. Market just come tap here. Go see where I give us the 15-minute break. Now up here, see break here, body break. You see where I give us the break.
Mm.
Now this place where the market come back, if you check time now around 4 o'clock, and my entries I dey normally enter during London Q zone or New York Q zone. Now this 4 o'clock here, I think that was when this thing London is closing. London closes by 5. So that was why I didn't just take the trade. But if you say I take that by for go far, see am now because see change of
I,
character already. Price don't give me change of character. I fit choose maybe to enter from this breaker block here. Go enter
on that
from
the
there.
test safe.
Put my stop loss around for this place. My target now, first target go be this place. Why? Because price fit reverse from there 1:2. Then my second target go come be this key level wey dey up here wey I dey expect market come back from.
I say I
Watch.
was even happy because I saw it sell. So when it tapped into that zone, into that zone, I
Supply.
started seeing it sell. Well, yeah, into that supply zone, I started seeing it sell. Even broke below that first low on
Yes,
30
there
minutes.
was a change of character DSF.
On 30 minutes.
Look at it. There's a
Yeah.
change here in 30 minutes, even in 15 minutes. So, but the reason why I didn't take the sell is because, like I said earlier, if the storyline is bullish, I'll go bullish until it hits my stop loss. Then I'll now know that okay, it's bearish. So the storyline is already bullish from here. Look at this place. I told you that if you see that price is not reacting to anything but it's reversing, then price will create something for itself so that it can react to that same thing and reverse. See this place here. There's nothing here. This one is just a fair value gap. This place, no any supply here. See, let me come to this place. Look at, there's no supply here. Nothing, just bunch
Yes.
of wicks here. This is the supply that I first saw here, this one, but price sweep am, so there's nothing there. But look at what happened. So many people will say that they don't know what price is reacting to. Most of the time price reacts to fair value gap, but now if you look at it in the other hand, this is a key level here. Look at, price came down like this, form a V shape. If you go to the line chart, you see it. Look, form a V shape, then came back and tested it, now gave us a break. You see what I was talking about? Now if you go to 1 hour, you
Mm,
see the break. That's 1 hour to confirm 4 hour, you see the break. This is the level, this one here, this is the level that price gave us, now give us a body break here. After the body break, you see say e come back. After e give us body break, so many people go enter from this place, so many people go enter from here. Or if you go to 15 minutes, you see an order block there. You see this order block here, you enter buy from there, put your stop below this place 18 pips in case price wan sweep you. Now you know say price go reach where, this place, just target here 1:3. So if price wan reverse, e dey always form place wey e go take reverse. So back to what we were saying about fundamental analysis, I'm going to make a proper video where I'll talk about everything, a proper video where I'll talk about everything on fundamental analysis. I'll list all the type of news
into
and all of that, and also explain how you'll be able to analyze the news itself, because that one is like
mm,
it's in a different space on its own. So the next question.
into let me just read it out.
Huh?
I want to read it out.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Okay, we'll talk about there's this place that I would like to talk about, the test method. Sometimes,
The
but
uh,
look at the pretest that we have on that other where I was talking about the sell move.
re-
If I was,
retest.
yeah, like retest method, like that market that we just analyze now. that side that it test before it now break because of that news.
Yes.
Abi.
Mm.
Sometimes now you see that that thing break on 30 minutes, and if I'm to be waiting for confirmation, that will serve as a little confirmation for me.
Mm.
But like, how do you like prevent this type of mistake?
Now, to be very honest, so it's not a mistake. Markets prefer to do what it feels like. So this place is a very good place to sell from, oh. But there is one error in this place. There is no liquidity or there is no inducement. This is a one leg move. Remember, if you are to mark your supply here now, you mark this candle that's on a 4 hour time frame. This big candle, the whole of this range is your supply. But there's no pullback here. See, this is a break. Oh, this is a break of structure here. This is a break of structure. There's no pullback here. The market will come and take out. There's no pullback there. So that place is even a dangerous place to sell from. Instead of selling from here, it's even more better to sell from this place here. Why? There is inducement liquidity.
Yes.
Yeah. Look at this one is will serve as liquidity. This high, a lot of people stop loss will be at this place. It will serve as liquidity. So most of the time, if there is a place like this, if you see the market coming with force like this, it will break it. But some of the time, the market when the market gets close to your POI, the market will start ranging, creating higher highs and higher lows. Now those higher highs and higher lows will be the liquidity that price will sweep and then start reversing. So most of all those type of trade use confirmation. So but this particular one, market just doing thing, to be very honest. So and me wetin make me I no even look that place to start looking for sales is because I know that price is bullish. Now if a daily storyline starts until e gets to until another daily storyline starts before the previous one will end. So this is a 4 hour storyline. Now I need to see price on a 4 hour time frame to come and do something like this. Give me a change of character for me to confirm that yes, this one have end. Or otherwise, even tomorrow if price touch this place, I will continue buying. So until when
Okay.
I see price give me another a sign that another storyline has started. Let's say for example a daily storyline started here. A daily storyline starts here and price is dropping, 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 dropping. There might be so many POI here that people will be looking for buys. I'll still be looking for sales.
Mm.
But once price touch another daily storyline, another daily level, and give me a break on a 4 hour to confirm that a new daily storyline has started. Now I know automatically that the storyline has changed from bearish to bullish. Now I'll start looking for buys here until when price touch another daily level and a new storyline starts. So that's how I trade to be at the safer side. So still with all of
Mm.
that, the market will still do what it
And
feels
so
like.
I saw that cell move. I waited for like 2 days, just observing that zone.
There's a break here. Look at it. There's a break actually, but because the storyline is bullish, you don't expect price to sell. And moreover, if I was going to look for a sell here, I will need to see a break on 1 hour or 4 hours before I will look for sell. Look at where if price break this place, that means a 4 hour storyline has started. That's a break on a 1 hour is a confirmation for 4 hour. A break on a 4 hour is a confirmation for daily. Now, if price break this place like this, then I will know that a new storyline has started. But say price no break here, I no go enter. Oh. So most of all those 15 minutes, 30 minutes they normally work more perfect if you are if you are aligned with the trend. You
Mm.
understand? So the market
Yes.
is already bullish, and price now gave you a 15 minutes change of character or 30 minutes change of character. It's just a fake out. They normally call it SMT trap. Okay, SMT, yes, that's smart money trap, SMT. So what's your next question?
There's this QMR,
uh,
and then I heard another one. It was confusing to me, but like it's called QMC.
QMT.
QMC.
QMC. It's QMR that I know.
Yeah, I heard QMR, and I also saw QMC.
I don't know about QMC. I only know about QMR. Now, if uh, if a storyline starts when it comes to entry, now let's say this your supply, and you have a key level there like this. Now, price is giving you high is low like this. Now, if this market comes to this place, this is a daily level, for example, or this is a 4 hour level. When price comes to your POI like this, and then tap into your POI, now you want to look for sales
Mm-hmm.
here. If this is a 4 hour, if this is a 4 hour level, you want to see a break on a 1 hour. Now you have a break on a 1 hour. Now once you have a break, your entry is in three places. Your first entry is here at the breaker block. That is where your first entry is. You can call it your decisional POI. Your second entry is at the QM here, which is my own main POI. Now your third entry is at the apex here. So most of the times, if I see something like this on a 1 hour time frame, I can go to 30 minutes or 15 minutes, just look for another block here, or where that QM is, I'll mark the last candle there in that QM, extend it like this. That will be my entry. My stop loss will now be above the apex. Most of the time, price doesn't go to the apex. It just reverse from the QM. My target will now be this place. Now, if price comes to my apex and give me a 15 minutes break, I will enter for a sell there. I will know that price will not come to this place. But if price now come to this breaker block, sorry, and price do not give me any reaction, then I'll wait for my main POI. That is how I normally find my trade. So if this level is a daily level, then I will need to see a break on a 4 hour time frame. Where's my parts? Okay. Now let's say this is a daily level. Now your 4 hour might be big, so it will take time for you to see a break here. Now I see something like this. You know that it will take time for price to break these 4 hours.
Yes.
It will take time. Now what I normally do is to now go to my 1 hour and look for break. Now in my 1 hour time frame, I will find something like this. If I have a break, I will enter sell here. If I'm selling from this 1 hour level, my stop loss is above here. My target will be this place. That will be where my target will be. I'll just look for 1:2 or 1:3 to this place. Now, if price
Yeah.
gets to this place and give me a break here, then I'll know that this market is fully going down. But let's say price comes to this place and price didn't break this place. then I'll know that this place will not hold price. That's another way. So your target will be
Mm.
this place. Once you now see a body break here like this, now you now know that okay, this a new daily storyline has started. Now your entry is still the same thing. Your entry is number one, either from this breaker block there on the 4 hour. Your next entry will be from this QM here. Then the last entry will be from the apex. Now in this case, you know that if you want to enter from here on a 4 hour time frame, your stop loss will be very big. It will be even more than
Mm.
40, 50 pip. Now this is where you will now use your 30 minutes change of character. What you just want to see for price to just come here, if you see a 30 minutes change of character here or 15 minutes, you will enter. Most of the time I use 30 minutes because 15 minutes gives fake out. You can
Mm.
still enter from your QM here, then you just put your stop loss above the wick of that QM. Let's say there's a candle here and there's a wick here like this. Now my stop loss will be above that wick. I'll just enter from the body, my stop loss will be above that wick. Now I'll be targeting the next zone. Now mind you, the QM is also the apex is also valid. So most of the time you see that stop loss, the market will just come and hit your stop loss like this and go to the apex. At the apex, I don't need any confirmation. I'll enter directly here. So most of the time, I normally look for confirmation here. Either I look for 30 minutes break here, or I wait, look for another 30 minutes break here. But if price comes to the apex, I just enter directly, put my stop loss small above here, then I'll target the whole of this place. So, is there any question?
Understood.
Okay. So, any other question?
No question for now.
All right. Um, I'll make a video on the fundamental analysis and then we'll now do a class on it. So, any other question on fundamental analysis,
Yep.
I'll explain to you there. And then
Mm-hmm.
we'll talk about trading range.
Trading range and trading plan.
Yes, trading range and trading plan. So, I think that will be the end of our today's class, man. So, take care of yourself, bro.
Thank you, boss. Good night. Have a lovely evening.
Okay, now. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.